Hello everyone, welcome back to Quiz Wiz. I'm Priyadarshan here, your host and your quiz master, here with five more answers for yesterday's questions and five more questions for you today. So here comes question number one for yesterday. This is derived from ancient Hindu text, the Bhagavad Gita's ninth chapter and the 22nd verse. The slogan can be seen in the logo written in Devanagari script. This this line means I carry what they lack and I preserve what they have, which refers to Krishna speaking to Arjuna when taken in context of the entire verse. Identify the slogan and the organization. So the organization that we are talking about is actually very simple. It's LIC or the Life India Corporation, and the slogan that we were talking about is Yogakshmayam Vahamayam. That is the one. Moving on to our second question for yesterday. This rule is said to be created by Jeff Bezos, keeping pizza as a theme. So, what rule was this? So, this is a two pizza rule, often credited to Jeff Bezos. The two pizza rule is a guideline for deciding how many attendees should be invited into a meeting. According to the rule, every meeting should be small enough that attendees can be fed with two large pizzas. So that was question number two. Moving on to question number three. As per the Guinness Book of World Records, this is the world's largest residential palace. So, which one are we talking about? So, this is the Istana Nurul Iman, official residence of the Sultan of Brunei, Hassan Boika. It has 1788 rooms. So that was our third question. Moving on to our fourth question. This fictional character from the Star Trek franchise, liking for Earl Grey tea and his instruction for the order, captured the attention of the graduate form of Princeton University, uh, with degrees in computer science and electrical engineering, almost named the company with this famous dialogue. What is the name of the new company? So, the name of the new company that we're looking for is actually Amazon. Early on, um, he thought of calling it Mikeltso.com in reference to the line from Captain Gene in Star Trek: The Next Generation. So that was our question for yesterday. Now moving on to our five questions for today. So here we go. In May 2018, RBI issued first of its license in this segment. This is a part of the NBC platform. Name the entity that was set up by a trio post this. Moving on to our second question. The person uh, Name the person who was the coach of the person from childhood till date. So this person was a coach of a sports player from childhood, who along with Jack Nicklaus and Tiger Woods are the only three players to win four majors by the age of 25. Identify the golfer, who is the golfer and who is the coach that we are talking about. Moving on to our third question. He retained the World Chess Championship title for more time than any other player has ever seen, 26 years and 337 days. Identify. And now for our fourth question for you. Reusel of the Histories of Troy, or Des Histoires de Troyes in 1464, is a translation of William Caxton of a French country romance written by Raoul Levre, chaplain to Philip III, Duke of Burgundy. What first was achieved by this book? And now, time for our last question. Elvis Presley was auditioned for a part in a gospel quartet band in 1954 but was rejected. Give me the name of this band. So these were our five questions and these were the five answers for yesterday. I hope you really liked it. Do not forget to leave your comments in the answers. Leave your answers in the comments below. I will see you again tomorrow with five more answers of five more questions. Till then, please stay tuned. Take care, stay safe, and good night.